Hey there, Etsy sellers. If you're looking to make your shop more professional and helpful in 2025, adding an FAQ section is a game changer. It allows customers to get quick answers to their questions, which can reduce inquiries and boost your sales. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. Head over to the Etsy homepage and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Shop Manager. That's your control center for all things shop related. Once you're in Shop Manager, navigate to the Shop Settings tab on the left-hand side. Look for the Info and Appearance section, where you'll find options for customizing your shop. Scroll down until you see FAQ, or Frequently Asked Questions. If you don't have one set up yet, click on Add FAQ, or Edit FAQ, to get started. Now, here's where the fun begins. You'll be prompted to add questions and answers. Think about common customer queries, like, what are your shipping times? Or, do you offer returns? Type in a question, then provide a clear, concise answer below it. Etsy allows you to add multiple FAQs, so cover all the bases. Remember to keep your language friendly and informative to build trust. After you've added your FAQs, double-check for any typos or errors. Once you're happy, hit the Save button at the bottom of the page. Your FAQ will now be live on your shop's main page, visible to all visitors. One quick tip. Update your FAQ regularly, especially with any 2025 changes to Etsy's policies, to keep it accurate. This simple addition can make your shop stand out and improve customer satisfaction. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Etsy tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.